Now we're going to look at how to use the layer settings. You already know that you can access different layers by clicking on them, and when you have a certain window selected, you're going to see particular layers there. So you can see now my background layer is our school. Now my layer 0 here is the eagle. Always make sure you're naming your layers. Now I'm going to be copying this eagle, so I can do a simple select all, switch over to my other window, and paste. I'm going to try to get this eagle to blend in to the background so I can still see the school, but also know that this is Exeter here. So first of all, I'm going to name my layers so I always know what I am working with. So this is eagle. We'll call this school. All right. Now, when you have a layer selected, you may have noticed these tools at the bottom of the screen here. This trash can here allows you to delete a layer. This would allow you to make a blank layer that's the same size as the others. You've already seen layer styles. We're not going to talk about layer masks yet, but what we're looking at today is toggle layer settings. And this is a very simple fix here. You've got your opacity, which we've seen opacity before when we've worked with color fills in some of our different apps. And if I just take this and slide it to the left, you can see that the eagle will start to blend in there. Okay. Now putting it on top of the school doesn't look so hot. So I'm actually going to switch to my move tool, and I'm going to put it up in the sky here. I could even put it up here. Kind of gives like a little bit of a watermark feel. I could also do a free transform. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Edit, free transform. And remember, hold shift when you're resizing so that you don't change the proportions of your image. And I could put my eagle over there. I could put it over here. I could put it down in the grass. Okay. And then got that neat little blended effect there. And all I had to do was change the opacity. There's also some other things you can do with this layer settings. If you go to mode down here, these are all predetermined. They're presets essentially that are going to add some different type of looks to your work here. Go back to normal. Let's see, alpha. Oh, it doesn't look so hot. Try darken. Okay, that kind of looks pretty cool there. I like that a lot, actually. And difference. So these, you can play around with these and decide what you like. Some certainly will ruin the image. Others are going to make it look pretty neat. Like, for example, if I choose this lighten one, that's going to give it a different effect. And another one that might work for this would be overlay. Okay, so play around with that. And again, all that is available right down here under your layer settings.